Alright y'all, so real quick, I'm going to try not to make this a really long video. So I did get a set of the new Powerhobby tires and wheels and the grippers. You guys can see that there. There will also be a link in the description as well. So the tires are different sizes and widths, as you guys can see right here, that you can use on your Arrma Felonies and people that actually put the Arrma Felony gearbox inside their infractions, etc., etc. So give me just a minute. I'm gonna get these open, but I also have here a set of Hoons. Of course, they've been used a little bit, but I did want to at least show this to you guys and do kind of a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see what these look like side by side. And then I'll get these installed probably in a couple of days onto one of my vehicles and give them a test run. But I at least did want to show this to you guys and do these side by side. So give me just a minute. I'm gonna get all these unraveled out of here so I'm not making a lot of noise, and then we'll come back and see what we got. Okay guys, so getting these out, these actually, I love the smell of new rubber, I really do. You guys know I love the smell of new RC cars as well. So, but these actually, the compound feels pretty good on these. It feels like it's gonna be really sticky and they're gonna grip well. So the real test, of course, will be taking these out and running these on my Felony or my Limitless, which actually is kind of a conversion on to use wider wheels in the rear. But I did want to show you guys something with these Hoons placed next to it. So you guys see there that the Powerhobby tires and wheels are wider just by a little bit than the Hoons, but they are a little bit smaller in diameter. I'll get this set up just like this and you guys can somewhat see that there. If you can tell, they are a little bit smaller in the overall diameter, but they do have more grip to the ground, and it's going to be a little bit wider. So it's going to be interesting to put this on those particular vehicles and get them running. So there could be an instance where if you're running and you're used to a particular speed, it may be a mile per hour or slower, but you'll have to gear up to get that. But I think having this wider tread will give you more grip and get more power down to the ground as well. So that's a look at these. I like this tread on here and stuff. Like I said, the biggest thing is going to be getting these out and putting them on a vehicle and running them to see how much tread wears off on it on the first run, and then how these actually hold up at 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 miles per hour and stuff. But I think they'll do pretty good because they are belted. Looking at the front ones, pull this over here real quick, compared to, of course, the Arrma ones, they are not as wide in the front. You guys can see that there. It's not by much, but they are a tad bit bigger. I can kind of feel it. It may just because the tread's kind of wearing off a little bit on these Hoons that are on my right hand side, but you guys can see that there. But it's got a good tread pattern on there, so that should last pretty good with that. But the biggest test is running it on the street with some weight on them just to see how they hold up, and then putting these on a couple other cars and stuff as well. But putting them on the Felony and the Limitless, I'll probably just put them on my Limitless and just put an 8S, two Forest lipos in there and get this running and show you guys how these hold up to 80, 90 miles per hour. Because you guys know I drive my Limitless more or less for just driving around at 70, 80 miles per hour. I don't really do too many speed runs with it because that's just going up and down the street for me, and that's kind of a one-time run. I like to run it around in the street and stuff, and I go through tires an awful lot, so this can be, you know, another selection for you guys with tires and wheels. And like I said, they do have different colors and stuff, and I'll put a link down in the description below for these. But you guys stay tuned because I'm definitely going to get these hooked up or get these put onto one of my Arrma cars and get them running so we can see how they perform. So anyway, put your comments down below. I know some of you guys are already ordering some of these. If you've already got them and tested them out, put in the comments some of your thoughts and stuff of them, and I'll get these installed on the car and get them running in the next couple of days. And then I'll tell you guys kind of how they feel when I run compared to the Hoons. And I may try to just get both cars out, a Limitless and a Felony, and maybe run the Hoons on one and then these grippers on the other, and just kind of let you guys see the feel of it. I'll see if I can get that together in the next couple days if I'm able to. So anyway guys, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.